Hello. Welcome to how to upload or download files from FTP server without using FileZilla. In this example, I use a file server with the information as above. FTP. Open. You connect to the server using the IP address or host name. IP address. Enter. User. Username. John. Password. Enter password. 123. Connection successful. To ensure success, I remote desktop to the file server and check the connection status. FTP site. This is the connection I just established. So you can establish a connection to the FTP server using the command window on Windows. Disconnect and exit. Last time I used the IP address, now I try to connect using the host name. Make sure the disconnection was successful. This is host name. FTP. Open. This time I use the host name instead of the IP address. Host name is always easier to remember than the IP address. Username. Password. Connection successful. Next, I upload the file to the server. I added a network drive to check the results when uploading or downloading files. There are currently no files on the server. On the local machine, I have a folder and in it there are some files with different formats. There are a few photos, some simple text files and a video file. Local CD. Navigate to the folder just mentioned on the local machine. Path to the folder. I copy, not type each character, avoid mistakes. Copy. Paste. Navigation successful. Use the put command to upload the file to the server. Put. I upload a photo. File name, including the extension. Transfer complete. Check the results on the server. Upload successful. Next, I upload 2 files. Using multi-put command if you want to upload multiple files. Mput. List of files to upload. Upload another image and a text file. Y. Enter. You are asked if you want to upload the file. Of course, yes. Check the result on the server. 2 files have been uploaded successfully. In case of uploading multiple files and having to answer yes for each file is really inconvenient. If you do not want this to happen, use the prompt command. You see, the files are uploaded without asking you if you agree or not. Save trouble. On the server is not divided into different folders. When the number of files increases, it will be very messy. So I create a new folder. Folder name. Remote. Folder. 1. Folder created successfully. Dear. Folder is empty. This time I upload all the files to the newly created folder. Input. Star. The star character represents all files. Transfer complete. In the newly created folder there are 6 files in total. Here is all the files in the folder on the local machine. So what command do you use to download the file? Next, I download the file from the FTP server. On the local machine, I create a new folder. I will download the files from the server and save them in this folder. Local folder. Need to determine where to save the files before downloading them to the local machine. Navigate to the newly created folder. Path to the folder where the files are saved after downloading. Copy to avoid errors. Reduce the steps as much as possible. Navigate successfully. Get. To download the file to the local machine, you use the get command. File name to download. Download a picture. Transfer complete. Check the result in the folder named local folder. It has been downloaded successfully. So how do you download multiple files at the same time? Replace the get command with the multi-get command. I download all files with the same format. Jet. List of files to download. Use the star character to replace all names file. Download all files with extension txt. All text files have been downloaded to the local computer. If you want to download all files, you use the jet star command. All files with different formats are downloaded. In some cases, you want to delete one or more files on the server to optimize storage or another reason. If so, you use the delete command. You can delete one file, multiple files, or delete all files. To delete multiple files, you use the multi-delete command. Using the star character is very useful in case of deleting multiple files. The above is how to use the command prompt to connect to the FTP server and upload files or download files. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Deleted one file, 5 files left. Deleted 2 more files, 3 files left. Deleted all files, on the server no any other files.